Hey there YouTube, welcome to Wildflix J Reacts, and today we're going to dive deep into the world of user-generated content UGC and how you can leverage it for your brand's marketing strategy. UGC is any content created by users, customers, or fans of your brand. It can be anything from social media posts to reviews to videos, and it's becoming an increasingly important part of a brand's marketing strategy. Why? Because it's authentic, cost-effective, and helps you build a community around your brand. Let's start with authenticity. When it comes to marketing, authenticity is key. Consumers are becoming increasingly skeptical of traditional advertising and are looking for something more genuine. That's where UGC comes in. When your customers create content about your brand, it's real people talking about your brand in their own words, which means it's more trustworthy and relatable than anything you could say yourself. Next up is cost effectiveness. Traditional advertising can be expensive, but UGC is essentially free. Instead of spending a fortune on professional photos or videos, you can use content created by your own customers. Plus, it helps you build a community around your brand. By encouraging your customers to create and share content, you're giving them a voice and making them feel like a part of something bigger. Now, let's talk about how to leverage UGC for your marketing strategy. First and foremost, you need to encourage your customers to create and share content. There are many ways to do this, but some of the most effective include creating a hashtag, hosting a contest, or simply asking your followers to share their photos or videos. Once your customers start creating content, it's time to curate it. Curating means selecting the best content and showcasing it on your own social media channels or website. This not only gives your customers some recognition but also helps build trust and social proof for your brand. When potential customers see that other people are talking about your brand, they are more likely to trust you. Finally, it's essential to engage with your customers who create UGC. This means responding to their posts, thanking them for their support, and even featuring some of them on your channels. By engaging with your UGC creators, you're showing them that you value their contributions and that you care about their opinions. So there you have it, folks. Leveraging user-generated content is a powerful way to build your brand's marketing strategy. Don't forget to encourage your customers to create and share content, curate the best content, and engage with your UGC creators. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Let's get this video to 100,000 likes. Thanks for watching and we'll see in the next video.